Natakbuhan ng gabi.
Takbuhan sila kasi wala silang malaki. Elite sila pero puro na runner. Takbuhan kayo. Baka mamaya di ka panahan.
Pagpulidin ko si Richard yan.
It's the white guys again who are jumping. Sherlock! What the hell was that? Hey, no good.
Kapoy kayo.
Does not answer. Quick five ball lead. Number 6. He's a little gun shy after the first shot. Eddie. Number 6. Duncan. Pastor with the rebound. Dragon takes control. And rounds it up.
Pagod na si Max eh.
Wala na siya. Nakikita na yung likod niya.
What's number 6 name?
Kanan.
Kenon.
Kanan.
Kenon.
Kanan?
Yeah, Kanan.
That's too much. Number 6.
K.
Eddie throws it into nobody. He is not a point guard. Whoops. Why do all the centers want to be the point guard? Double team. Dribble Monday. Find Roger, Roger fakes. Pull the basket in. Back to Sugar Daddy fakes.
Sugar daddy.
Smokes it badly. Touches nothing. But air.
It's still 5-0. 5-0.
Who's going to score for the white team? It's not going to be Sherlock.
Jason.
Jason Sherlock.
Sherlock Holmes. Can't find the ball. Good graces. White team, can we get a shot off? That touches the rim. Mark Angeles! It touches the rim. But that's about it.
Foul? First game foul. David, second personal foul, David. David Dong, second personal foul. Then second team foul.
Second team foul.
natin.
Sugar Daddy, no good. Hey, Los Angeles, hey, 10 for Greg, nothing but Greg. Pass turns the rebound, loses it, but still doesn't matter.
Hindi naman nato kailangan ng go.
Sugar Daddy at the three. He's the final
Padung ni sabay. Padung na siya, galing na siya padung. Galing na, si tawag ko niya. Galing na naman si tawag niya, galing na lang.
Get it over.
Dagan kay Gulbay. Nakalikro ko niya.
Number 6. And no good. Eddie with the rebound. Put back. No good. Hong with the rebound. Still 5-0. Offensive struggle by both teams.
Dati kumakan. One hit. Sure, white. Malas ka ako yan, kaya naigawa ko. Pero hindi naman siya, wala yung laro.
Will the White team ever score? 3 minutes to go. Angeles does not get it. And wow. Terrible pass again by Eddie.
Wait, kuya, west ba kami? East kami? West ba kami? West kami? West kami.
Humingi ng time out. Humingi ng time out. Pagod na? Pagod na? Kaya mo yan.
No good.
Seven 0. 1 minute.
Will White team score?
7-0. That's free.
Get your Gatorade for free. $30 worth.
One minute. Still 7-0.
The White team is lucky to be only down 9-0.
What's foul? Jim, second personal foul, Jim. Second personal foul, Jim.
We'll give you 1 point. Yes, you can.
Somebody score! Somebody score!
One line. Ayaw sa kanila ng ano.
Anybody, please stand up. Donnie, it should be Donnie. It has to be Donnie. That doesn't count.
15 foul.
15 pounds.
15 foul.
Oy!
This might be the worst offensive showing ever in any game I have ever witnessed.
No score! No score ba? Grabe. 9-1?
There's no way to sugarcoat this.
1-5.
Can you stop the bleeding? Don't smoke it. He does not. Finally gets the bucket.
Jojo, second personal foul.
Warning.
One for penalty. Jojo, brother, Jojo. One
Warning.
for penalty. Black, one for penalty.
Takes the three. IPO.
Penalty.
Penalty. Number 13.
Penalty.
Penalty. Two shots.
You like free throws? You might like this. No, you're not going to get a free throw either. Break both free throws. 9-3. Mark for three, break. 11-3, go into the second quarter.
Ano, sit ka na.
Second na ba?
Sit ka. Bakit kasi akala niya first. Kasi,
Breaks the first free throw. This is second. 12-3. He says he can only make one. He gets that one. And one bucket and 2 free throws. Second one break. Just one more. Let's go.
come on.
5 more, he's not going to make them.
Bay, pwede tiksan mo si Erwin, Bay. Si Bay, kaya gamit mo ng cellphone ko. Bang! 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 Bang!
1 minute to go.
Baka kuminto eh. Wala naman. Tawagi ba? Kukuhan sa Bay. Tawagi na.
Okay. 40 seconds to go. Honey from the free throw line. Just like how he shoots a free throw. Brick after brick.
Ay, last
28
shot.
seconds.
What the score? 7-14. The first second quarter. What the?
Loses the ball. 15 seconds.
Hey, 15 seconds!